Good morning, guys. So I'm out here. You can see that the wind is blowing kind of. So I need to probably turn them off. What I wanted to do is show you how all these are plugged in. And show you that if I turn them off and then try to turn them on again, they don't come up as easy. Or they need to be kind of like positioned again when they turn off and then turn on. I think it's because our grass has like a slope to it, and that really affects placement. But let's try and see what happens. As you can see on this side of the house, these inflatables seem okay right now. I think it's because the other inflatables are in front of like an empty lot, so the wind blows more. Also, some good news, guys. These dogs are up. I just don't see that they're lighting up, and I don't remember if they light up or not. But I guess at least they're on. It was the plug that was messed up. So what I'm going to do is I'll show you how they look when they turn off, and then turn them on to show you that too. Now these inflatables are connected by two different plugs. One coming from the garage and one over here from the front porch. If not, it'll trip the breaker. But let me show you. Alright, so I'm opening the garage so I can unplug the inflatables from this side too. So it's going to be tricky because I have to unplug them and then come over here real quick. Alright, here you can see the ones that went down are the ones over there in the front, including the big hot air balloon. Alright, let me turn off the rest. Alright, here we go. Everybody's falling. And everybody's down. Okay, so everybody's down, so I'm going to plug them in and show you how, especially this guy, he's not really that well secured, so. Alright, here we go. Mickey's up pretty good. The Santa legs up pretty good. Santa's up, and all these guys in this row. It looks like our reindeer rodeo Santa kind of got stuck on the tree here. Let me fix him. There we go. And the balloon's still down because it's not inflated, and so is the Christmas dragon. Here you can see the toy soldier. He needs a nudge. There we go. And it looks like everyone else. Oh, Woody always falls over. You know, for such a small one, he doesn't get up good. Usually the small ones are pretty good at getting up. Here's Minnie. Alright. See, there's the snowman head. You see how he... And also, not just the snowman head. This Darth Vader, my goodness. It's such a pain in the butt. This Darth Vader is always falling over. Alright, let's turn on the rest of the inflatable. Oh. There we go. Alright, let's turn on the rest with the other plug. Okay, you can see over there the balloon is inflating. And the deer are up. The balloon is up. Here comes the snow globe. Look at Snoopy. That's me not wanting to get up. And the dragon is up. You know, it's pretty good for a Big Lots inflatable. So far, the inflatables from Big Lots have been... What I don't like about them is that their plugs are weird. They're not interchangeable with the Gemmy ones. You know? And they're up. It's kind of windy. Oh, look. I had to secure... So, I had to pull the inflatable from the roof into the window and close the window on it. That's how bad the wind was. So yeah, all these guys are up now. I just wanted to show you that this snow globe is taking a while. Let's help Snoopy up. You can see he's full of like dew, morning dew. Alright. And the elf guy is struggling. So you see it's kind of windy, so maybe I'll just turn him off. See how it's kind of windy? I really hate turning them off. Maybe they can, maybe the little bit of wind will pass. Alright, I unplugged these. You can see them all going down. I'm debating turning these off or not. Oh, look at that horn is stuck underneath that, underneath the deer's chin. Yeah, guys, I think I'm going to turn these off. Or maybe I should just turn off the... Maybe I should just turn off the big ones. Even though Santa looks like he's doing okay. But see, then it stops. I don't know. Alright, I'm plugging these in. Watch how good they do. See? You see how good these do getting up here? So these do pretty good. I don't know whether to turn them off or not. I'm going to turn that balloon off. I think it's better. Santa, although, is doing okay, so maybe I'll leave him on. Oh. See this wind? It's been so annoying this year. Anyway, I hope you guys like this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. And I'll talk to you soon with my clearance inflatables I got. Okay, bye.
Merry Christmas!